Felix Tangawarima, and I'm sure you can mention him, in that bracket. But I guess he's moving up the ladder, match commissioner now.
Yeah, and international assignments as a referee. Dynamos didn't like him to officiate some of their games, but certainly he has done well. So Tondrain Derai coaching Dynamos, and God knows Murwira and Ali Maliselo will be the wing backs today, with Emmanuel Jalai out for Dynamos, Trevor Mavunga and Shadrach Nyawa, with Awan Mutudza playing in the attacking midfield role against his former club, Barnabas Mushunje, and not in today. And David Temwanjira as centre forward, with King Nadolo and Bill Antonio down the flanks. This could be a very, very exciting lineup for Dynamos. We'll see what David Temwanjira is going to be capable of for Herentals. With Okumbere Mutue Kuziba, their coach. Frank Kuchine is in goal. Wilmore Chimbetu and Peter Chota, they're the wing backs. One of the central defenders, Zibusiso Rugucho. And watch out for the likes of Stanley Murove in midfield. And this is where the question marks are, as Howard was saying. Can they carry Innocent Benza and son Tino? Is that the right team selection? Are they paying the price? Well, we'll get more clues during the course of the next 90 minutes.
Yeah, we are excited. Yesterday's game was being watched as far as the United States. Other guys were in Finland. I'm sure, as we move ahead with...
So we go again. Mvula doesn't do that well. That's an error from Mvula. Chance again for her. So we go again. Mvula doesn't do that well. That's an error from Mvula. Chance again for Herentals. Dynamos players in the way. Jowry now streaks forward. A 50-yard run to Bill Antonio. Dynamos lucky to get away with that.
Yeah, very lucky. Twice the ball being hit outside the box, and with plenty of men just obstructing the goalkeeper. They were really lucky there with those blocks that came in.
He flaps at it, does Timon Mvula. To a winning team. Murwira with the cross. It's not dealt with well at all. Antonio. He rounds his man, Bill Antonio. Nadolo with the effort. Didn't connect well enough. Good work from Bill Antonio. So plenty of goal math action we're seeing.
And we thought Tondrain Derai was just trying to award him for being, patriotic to Dynamos.
Antonio comes again. There was a hand up there from Shadrach Nyawa. There was an offside as well. 18 contest, and sent flying was King Nadolo, right in front of his coach Tondrain Derai. Cynical challenge.
Off the ball.
Really bad tackle by Derek Chitsanzira. I was going to say Derek Chisora with the way that he took him out there. Huh?
Yeah, it was a bit forceful, and you mentioned the issue of that being cynical, because had he gone past him, we know King Nadolo, the technique that he has.
And it's a second yellow card. He was on one already. They're down to 10 men. Chitsanzira had a yellow in the first half. There can't be any argument there, and you've got to wonder, if you know you're on a yellow, why you would do that. It's really taking one for the team.
It's been causing havoc in that Dynamos defense, and getting a person like Chama to assist him.
They could score straight away. Oh, Prince Chama with his first touch could have got a huge goal for Herentals. It fell at his feet. Oh, what a chance.
So Dynamos need to look out for Prince Chama.
Oh, that was a great opportunity. He did well when he got it. Makanda's got space. It's Tinashe Makanda. Albert Ayonde! It was a simple break forward from Dynamos. The Cameroonian does the job with a quarter of an hour to go. The substitutions have worked. And Dynamos lead by a goal to nil.
But I think it was Makanda who did the most on that far side. You know, just selling a dummy to his marker side. You know, just selling a dummy to his marker and leaving him for dead. And then had the presence of mind to pick up Ionde, and he can't miss from there.
Yeah, great finish, but Makanda, didn't he do well? He really did. Tandra Antaras, such a great tactician. One-on-one with the keeper. You do see them missed. Well, we have even in this game, because Temwanjira had only the keeper to beat earlier on.